It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know or wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
I love it when you play it like that. Come on, play.
Sitting here alone, I'm looking back on where I've roamed and laughing how I swore I'd win and not get burned. Left my family, left my home. I worked my fingers to the bone, and there was not a stone I did not leave unturned. And I was having a good time. Roll on, roller coaster. We're one day older and one step closer. Roll on, there's mountains to climb. Roll on, we're on borrowed time. Roll on, roller coaster. Roll on tonight.
Roll on tonight, yeah.
Money and success, I don't complain about the stress. I wanted this and now it's here, so I don't bitch. And I swear the time's a trick, it disappears and oh so quick. Man, Now heading for the hill, and I just cannot wait until my children grow up to have children of their own. And I'll be telling them about the times I turned the party out, and how I stood against an army all alone, drinking wine and staying high, and realized it couldn't last, and how I turned myself around and went down another path. And the signs we must observe when life's changes do occur. But most of all, I tell them just how proud I am